Hello, we are back with a new matrix. In this class, we can discuss how can we find out the square of a number easily. Okay, for that we want to set the bases. Bases we are taking 10, 100, 1000 like that. Okay. First we can check the square of an easy number. Just 12. Here it is very near to 10. So we can take the base as 10. Now find out the difference between this base and number. Difference between 10 and 12 is 10 plus 2 is 12. So 2 is the difference. Just add this difference with this number. So 12 plus 2 will be 14. Now since our base is 10, we need to, here only one 0 is there. So we need to find out one more number, last number. Take the square of this difference. Here the difference is 2. 2 square is 4. So 144 is the square of 12. Now we can find out the square of 15. Here also our base is 10. The difference between 10 and 15 is 10 plus 5 is 15. So this is our difference. So add this difference with this number. 15 plus 5 is 20. Okay. Then one more number is needed. Take 5 square. That is 5 square is 25. But here we need only one number. So what we are doing is we are adding this 2 with this number. So 20 plus 2, 22, and our last number is 5. 225 is the square of 15. Just work out a similar example. Just find out the square of 16. Here also the base is 10 and the difference between 10 and 16 is 6. Okay. Add this difference with this number. 16 plus 6, 22. Then we need one more number. Take 6 square. 6 square is 36. But here only we need only one number. Then add this 3 with 22. It will be 25 and this last number is 6. So the square of 16 is 256. Now how can we solve if the number is less than the base number 10? Suppose we can take 8. The difference here also the base is 10 and the difference between this number and this base is 10 minus 2 is 8. Here the difference is minus 2. Okay. Now since it is minus, just 8, we can do 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. Then the square of minus 2. It is 4. So 64 is the square of 8. Now we can find out the square of 107. Here what is our base? Here the base is, it is near to 100. So we can take the base as 100. Then find out the difference between these two numbers. That is 100 plus 7 is 107. So the difference is 7. Just add this difference with this number. 107 plus 7 is 114. Now the square, here two zeros are there. So we want to find out two numbers. So 7 square is 49. So the square of 107 is this. Now we can find out the square of 102. Here also the base is 100 and the difference is 100 plus 2 is 102. So add this difference with this number. 102 plus 2, 104. Now we need two numbers. Okay. Just square the difference. 2 square is 4. But we need two numbers. So we can write it as 0, 4. Now how can we find out the square of a number if the number is less than 100? Suppose we can take 94. Here also the base is 100 because it is close to 100. Now the difference is 90. 100 minus 6 is 94. Here the difference is minus 6. Just minus 6. 94 minus 6 is 88. Then square of 6. We need two numbers. Square of 6 is 36. Finally, we can take a little higher number, 112. Here also the base is 100 and the difference is 100 plus 12 is 112. So add 12. 112 plus 12, 124. Now we need two numbers. We already find out the square of 12. It is 144. But this is, we need only two numbers. Just the last numbers 44 we can write here. And this 1 we can add here. So it will be, this is 124 become 125. 12,544 will be the square of 112. Now we can try a higher number, 1005. Here what is our base? Our base is 1000. And the difference between this number and the base is 1000 plus 5 is 1005. So 5 is the difference. Add this difference with this number. It will be 1010. Then we need three numbers because here there is three zeros in our base. So we need three numbers. Take the square of 5. Square of 5 is 25. But we need three numbers. So put a 0 here. This is the square of 1005.